Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Jay and this is my channel Make Money with Jay, where I teach people or show people how to make money online with printables, with colouring pages, KDP books, and more or less whatever I learn I share. And I also show how to create colouring pages, and today that's what we're going to do today. So let's get into it. So we're going to make space colouring pictures for kids. Yeah, let's start. So I think I love this guy. Now, if you're wondering where I get all these from, I get them from a place called Creative Fabrica. I will leave the link in the description so you can check it out. It is a paid subscription, or you can buy them individually. But if you purchase through my link, you can get them. You can get it for like $1 for a month or something like that. I'm just playing around with this actually. A minute, let me just do that. Just play around with it, guys. Let's get a rocket on there. Let's get it a bit smaller. Rocket up there. Put it behind. Like that. This is all I do, guys. Just play around with it. Make some movements and adjustments and that. And maybe get some of a smaller star. Maybe another smaller star down here somewhere. Yeah, and there's our first picture, guys. Looks alright, doesn't it? Now we can have let's have this funny looking. Yeah, we'll have a bit of a spaceship. Kind of like it like that, actually. So these 3 stars kind of in the background. Should we have another alien or something? Another spaceman? Another rocket? What should we have, guys? What should we have? Oh, should we have this alien? No, it doesn't look. It's better out of place, doesn't it? Just play around, but this is all I'm doing, guys. I'll have another rocket. Sorry, another planet. Some more stars. See, this is how simple I'm making it, guys. Let's have another one. Let's have a few different planets on this one here, guys. This one, we'll have one that looks a bit like Saturn. I think it's Saturn. If I get them wrong, guys, just let us know. I'll have a bit of a rocket in between as well. If it's flying to the ones. No, let's have another planet. Where's planet? Yeah, let's have a couple of stars. You know, I like the stars. Don't want it too big, like. In fact, yeah, let's have some small stars. Bring that in a bit. Yeah, another simple one. What can we have up here? Maybe we can have like a Oh no, it's a bit big that. We'll have this dude. In fact, I'm not quite sure about this planet. It could be bigger. Delete the planet. Don't want the planet, guys. Maybe his little alien friend. Made a little friend. I'll tell you what. Yep. Get some text on there. We'll call it space. Then bear with me, guys. Space friends. But if we do this like that, put the effects on, do it like that, put the effects on that. Let's just have that one. Down a bit like that. Space friends. Maybe make him a little bit bigger, smaller. So that can come down a bit. Yeah, there you go, guys. Space friends. Another one now. Let's go back to our space. Let's have some different. Sorry, guys. Orbiting around the space. Let's have a look at this one. More of these little stars. Yeah, in fact, I'll have them up there. Yeah, so it's not the best one, guys, but got some more. Maybe let's put Earth on it. Put Earth. Put the space guy floating above it. We can have another rocket, I suppose. Let's get some text on there, guys. Put space. Change the effects straight away. Space. I'm not sure what to write, guys. Space is ace. Oh, This is just playing around with it, guys. Yeah, space is this. Yeah. Alright. How does this, guys? Love. Make it a bit small so it fits on. Let's just make it smaller. Let's change the effects. Yeah, let's go back down to our space. Maybe put a couple of little stars on it. In fact, maybe put like this behind it. No. Just leave it like that, actually. Yeah. Make a couple more, guys, and then we'll call it a day, yeah? And I want this dude on it. As if he's like floating on the planet. We could make this kind of huge. We'll position that backwards like that, guys. And all we'll do then, do that. Do that. Do that. Position it. Right, yeah. So that then, that kind of looks like it's rolling on it. Yeah, he's floating above it, and maybe we can have what can we have, guys? What can we have? Put the alien dude back. Wondering what he's doing. Yeah, there's another one, guys. Okay, we'll make one more. Yeah, one more. Let's have the moon on it. I don't think we've had the moon. The astronaut on it. So the young astro girl. He can be there. He can be like the little kid. And they can have the big brother. His fuzzy hair. Yeah, there you go, guys. So that's it, guys. Here's 8 colouring pages for you to colour in, and they're absolutely free. Feel free to download them and share them. Yeah, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, before we go, if you want to find out where they are, then they will be here on the Christmas Everyday Club website. If you scroll down colouring pages, you'll find lots more. They will be here So in free space colouring pages. So hope you like this video. If you did, please feel free to give me a thumbs up, like the video, and comment if there's any themes you want. Until next time, guys, thanks very much for watching.